particular Insaf Sasta Tandoor or the Affordable Tandoor, which is sponsored by the Pakistan Insaf Welfare Trust. Now the idea behind this tandoor is that they give 2 naans and a bowl of dal to one person, or the first 300 people actually that come to the tandoor. As you'll see in a bit, we already have a line forming up over there. They start at 6:30 and they end by 6:45, and in that period of time they're able to feed 300 people. And whoever is there first gets fed first. The rest, you have to come a little early. And you can see that there's a big demand for this, and it's such an amazing idea because a bowl of dal and these 2 naans are available only for 5 rupees. It's just unheard of. And yet it's not just giving it away to them for free where they feel no dignity or pride and they don't feel like they're begging. They pay a price for it, but an affordable one. Sadia, tell me, what is the objective behind this place and what motivated you to start this Sasta Tandoor or be a part of it rather?
Well, we're a group of about 10-12 people, and we were very concerned about the situation in Pakistan, the rate of inflation and the way people were dying of hunger, leaving their children in the orphanages and people committing suicide. So we felt we needed to, give back to the society and we wanted to do something. So that's when we heard about these Sasta Tandoor programs run by Imran Khan in Punjab and Balochistan. So we wanted to, take up on those and be the first to start in Karachi. When we come here, because like I said, there is one of us here every single day, we talk to them about hygiene, about education, we sing the national anthem, we sing Lappe Aati Hai. The first week that we were here, we'd see children coming in without their shoes. They used to come in barefoot. They used to come in with plastic bags to get their dal. But slowly and gradually, we've taught them and trained them that you need to come with a bowl from your homes to get the dal in, get a lifafa to put your naan in, or a cloth or something. And they learn, they respond. We've taught them about what the flag means or what Pakistan means, what Quaid-e-Azam had to say, just little quotes and things like that about hygiene or how to look after themselves.
Which every Pakistani should know, not just the educated one. अच्छा, कैसा खाना होता है यहाँ का?
अच्छा होता है।
हाँ, आप रोज आती हो?
नहीं, कभी कभार।
अच्छा, तो और सस्ता मिलता है यहाँ? सस्ता है खाना?
जी।
आप सब घर वालों के लिए लेके जाती हो?
जी।
आप अभी किसके लिए खाना लेके जा रही हो?
घर वालों के लिए।
तो कितने लोग खाते हो 2 रोटी में?
8।
Right now I'll be talking to Mr. Khurshid, who is, you can call the manager of Sasta Tandoor, and he's here every day, and I'm going to talk to him a little bit about his daily chores. Assalamu alaikum. कैसे हैं आप?
बस जी ठीक।
तो रोज दाल बनाना आपका काम है?
जी जी।
तो कितने किलो दाल तकरीबन बनती है रोज?
ये हम 10 किलो तकरीबन बनाते हैं।
10 किलो। और कितनी नान बनती है?
600 नान बनती है। बस बाजी यही है कि ये हम इंसानियत के लिए कर रहे हैं काम, और इंसान को इंसान के काम आना चाहिए।
यहाँ के लोग बहुत खुश हैं इस चीज़ से, और माशाल्लाह निज़ाम भी बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है। सबको अपने हिसाब से सब निज़ाम चल रहा है, सही मिल रहा है। बच्चे बड़े बूढ़े सब खुश हैं इससे। हमें बड़ी खुशी हुई है, और हमारा तावन पूरे इलाके का उनके साथ है।
आप सस्ता तंदूर कितनी बार आते हो हफ्ते में?
मैं तो रोज ही आता हूँ।
रोज कैसा खाना होता है?
सही होता है।
हाँ, दिन में क्या खाते हो?
दिन में यही खाना खाते हैं और क्या खाते हैं।
कहाँ से खाना लेके खाते हो?
होटल से।
वो तो बहुत महंगा होता होगा?
कहाँ महंगा होता है, 30-40 रुपए का तो आता है।
तो ये 5 रुपए, तो ये तो फिर बहुत सस्ता हुआ।
ये तो शाम को खोलते, सुबह खोले फिर तो है।
सुबह खोले तो कोई बात है। हाँ, अच्छा, तो आप रोज लेने आते हो यहाँ शाम में? घर में कितने लोग हैं?
घर में पूरी फैमिली है।
तो सब फैमिली के लिए लेके जाते हो?
जी।
अच्छा, चलो, थैंक यू। With me I have a bunch of amazing individuals who brought the Insaf Tandoor to Karachi, Insaf Sasta Tandoor rather, to Karachi, and is doing incredibly well. Please tell me what motivated you to do this and be involved with this project.
It's a mixture of self of achievement, and you want to do something for your country. I thought this is the best chance for me to.
So would you like to tell me why this particular area, why this particular community?
Well, we did research a few other places as well, but somehow this place was available, and we did find the need there for this sort of a thing, and there are a lot of poor people here, and we somehow felt that we will be able to cater to them and achieve the purposes that we wanted to.
If we get obviously more finances coming in, we are planning to feed over 1,000 people a day from here.
And how would you encourage more people to get involved in this project or start other projects? You know,
Well, just get started simply. Just start.
go on.
Just start.
Yeah. Okay, that was the Sasta Tandoor team, and it was great talking to them. We'll take a short break and don't go anywhere.